Hello everyone, this is Claire from Hangzhou Yuefu Trading Corporation Limited. Very appreciate you watching my video today. And today I want to introduce a painting with doorbells. You can see here. This is painting. When you first view for them, you will only think this is a very simple painting, but actually this is a doorbell. When we push the button, the music will come out from the painting and the light will flash brightly from them. I will try it for you. This doorbell will give great help to all parents. For example, when you need kids have lunch, normally we will yelling at them or speak loudly to ask them, come here to have lunch. But now, this doorbell will help you a lot. You can only push the button and the kids will hear the music and come out to find you. Also, this is a good idea for morning call. We not need to knock at the doors again. Now we only push the button. Music and light will help us calling the kids wake up. Yes, and for the other side, this is a good product for hearing impairment kids. They cannot hear music, but they can see the light come out from the painting. When the doorbell not work, this is also a very good painting to put on the kids' room for home decors. And the painting part, we can change it based on your need. This is a wireless control doorbell. The longest control distance is 80 meters. We have tested it, so it's enough for home use. And for the power supply you will have question how to supply the power for the painting and the button. You will see here for the button. There are battery books. This is CR2032 battery books. I only need one piece, so this can be work for a long time. For the paintings, you will see here, the power supply is battery books. They will ask how to put the button on the wall. We give two options. The one option is we have two holes on the side. We have two holes. Here's the one, here's the other one. We have two holes on the button, so you can put the nails on. The other way is we will put the glue stick on the back here, so you can stick it on the wall. We will use 3M stick put on the back. So that's all today. Thank you for your watching and have a nice day.